Meaning-centered psychotherapy aims to improve meaning, spiritual well-being, and quality of life. Meaning-centered psychotherapy is founded on Viktor Frankl's man's search for meaning. Viktor Frankl's existential theory postulates that meaning is a key human motive. Frankl said individuals want significance in their lives and may find it even in hardship. Finding purpose may reduce pain and promote future mental health. Humans generate meaning by 1. Their attitude in life-threatening circumstances. 2. Their connection to life via art, comedy, nature, love, and relationships. 3. Job, hobbies, or other interests. 4. Their history, present, and future legacy. This focus on meaning relates to spirituality, which encompasses both faith and meaning. According to the Consensus Conference on Improving Spiritual Care, spirituality is the aspect of humanity that refers to the way individuals seek and express meaning and purpose and the way they experience their connectedness to the moment, to self, to others, to nature, and to the significant or sacred. Purpose-centered psychotherapy attempts to strengthen patients' sense of meaning and spiritual well-being by bringing awareness to their attitudes, capacity to connect and participate with life, and the legacy they have lived or desire to create.